I'm working with a 9mm crochet hook and worsted weight yarn. And to begin this shawl, you're going to start with chain 40. And as you can see, they're very stretchy, and so it's a very light and airy summer shawl. Once you have your foundation chain made, you're going to double crochet in the 3rd stitch from the hook, 1, 2, 3. Double crochet in each stitch across the chain. So go ahead and double crochet across your foundation chain of 40 stitches. And I'm just demonstrating on this short piece. So you're going to double crochet in each stitch across the chain. So you're going to have a long chain like that. And now when you get to the end of the row, you're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and you're going to turn your work like that. Now you're going to double crochet in the 2nd stitch, and you're going to work only in the back side of the stitch. So you're going to double crochet in each stitch across the row, working only in the back side of the stitch. And that's what you'll do for the remainder of the pattern. Every row will be the same. It will be chain 2 and turn, double crochet in each stitch across the row, working only in the back side of the stitch. And you're just going to keep on working row after row, and there's how the stitches will look. And as you can see, they're very stretchy, and so it's a very light and airy summer shawl. So there you go. That's all there is to making this crochet version of the basic beginner summer shawl. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.